So I'm going to be building a shed today. There's 2 sheds already here on site. I've got this one that I'm going to be offloading onto my little pad right here. So the walls come pre-assembled. They are already built and painted. Basically all I have to do is pull them off of my trailer and stand them up onto a platform that I'm about to build right now. I've got metal joists here that I'm going to be laying out. The shed that I'm building today is a 10 by 12, 10 this way, 12 this way. It's gonna have 2 double doors, which are propped right there. And everything's pre-cut, ready to go. So these are my truss, for example. I'm gonna have to lay all the shingles, but these are all of my, this is my roofing, this is my flooring, and everything's cut, ready to put on. Underneath here are all my trim pieces that I'm going to be pulling out and putting on. And as you can see, they're pre-cut and pre-painted. So let's get started. All right, so I've got the framing down, the joist. So the next step to do is going to be to level it. And I'm going to be putting concrete blocks underneath it to level it out. Then we'll be putting the flooring on. All right, so we got the blocks underneath. As you can see, they're all around kind of miscellaneous places, it looks like, in the middle. What's important is the 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I put some in the center, here and here, and then this is actually touching the ground. And that's okay. And then scattered throughout in the center here is more blocking with pressure treated shims. Next up is the flooring. Floor. Let's do it. So I've got the 4 walls up, and you know, typically I don't always get to drive right up to the site. So this is a very special treat. A lot of times I have to go to the backyard, and that's a little bit bigger of a task. But after I get the walls up, next thing I'm gonna do, go around with these little anchors. And just like I did right there, and there, and there, and there, I'm gonna go all the way around, bolting in my walls. Except for that 2x4, that's coming out. Next up is the trusses. And what you do is you measure every 2 feet from the back wall there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, for 5 trusses. After this, we're gonna climb up top and we're gonna put the roofing on. Almost done. Little bit left to do. Roof is on. My gun's kind of hanging there. So I put a second coat of paint on there, and I like to do that before I put the trim on, which I'm going to do that now. So let me do that. And then the last thing, or at least one of the last things, is putting the roof on. And I went ahead and got that done, and now I need to clean up because I got a little bit of a mess. And that's pretty much it. Works pretty good. Inside. Got some latches on the bottom and the top. Very nice.